In this video we're going to learn how to draw a unicorn. There are parts to this unicorn that you can change, of course. I learned how to draw this particular unicorn on a YouTube site called Out of Our Minds Art Studio, and on Out of Our Minds Art Studio the teacher teaches you step by step how to draw loads of different animals. I just learned the unicorn one and I'll just teach you what I learned today, and you can change the colours and the shapes and everything about it, so it's up to you what you want to do. My unicorn's white, so I've given it a little bit of sort of bluish tones to it. I'm actually thinking about doing this part here in a nice pink, but you could colour your unicorn any colour you want to colour it. Alright, this is how I did it step by step. Hopefully you've got a pencil and an eraser, because that way you can keep up with me, and then at the end hopefully you've got lots of drawing things that you could colour it in with, so you can paint this or do it with crayon or pencil or texture or anything you like. I'm going to do mine with a marker pen so that you can see it, so I hope I don't go wrong. The first thing that we're going to do is going to draw the head shape, so we're going to go towards the top. We do need to leave a little bit of space for the ears, and we're going to draw the head shape. It's a little bit like a teardrop, but we're not going to finish the head at the very top. So you're going to leave a little bit of a gap. This is for the horn. So the horn is going to start in the middle of its forehead. Come up. I don't want it too pointy. Then I can finish the head joining up. Then I like to do 3 lines just going up the horn, so it looks like it's twirling around. I'm going to do 2 big triangles for the ears, and again you can do your ears whatever shape you like. And I'm going to do a line there so that you can just see the insides of the ear. With the hair I'm going to do a round line up to the horn, and I'm going to go up into a flick and down, and that's going to be the mane or the hair. You can have the hair coming onto the face or just flick up like that. With this unicorn it had very big eyes. To make the eyes cute, they drew 2 circles, like reflection circles, and then they coloured around that. You can change your eyes. You can have your eyes with angry eyebrows and make it a vicious, nasty unicorn with lots of teeth. You can do what I'm doing, do a cute unicorn with lots of eyelashes. You don't have to colour the eyes in until the end. I'm just doing it because I think it sort of gives it a good effect. It shows what the finished unicorn will look like. If you draw yours with grey lead, you could go over the grey lead with a black marker pen like me. Now I want to go to the top and just give it 2 eyelashes. Sometimes on the other side of the eyelash you can just give it a little triangle like that and then colour it in. And that's eyelashes. Now everyone has different ways of drawing eyes, so you could just do whichever ways you want to do it. You don't have to do it this way. I'm just doing it that way because that's how it was in the video. So with the mouth, I just kind of draw a mouth section with 2 nostrils and a little smile, but you don't have to do that. You can just do whatever you want to do. The next part of the activity is to draw the body part down here, and the best way of doing it is to start with the 2 front legs. Okay, and we're going to give the unicorn some really cute little feet, and then next to that we're going to draw 2 ovals like 2 eyes. Now this is the feet of the unicorn sitting down, and then we're going to take the outside edge and join it up to the unicorn, and then it's kind of sitting down. We can add a tail, a big fluffy end. There we go. When you want to colour it in, you can colour your unicorn in whatever colours that you want to. So if you don't want to have a unicorn that's got rainbow hair, you just don't have to do that at all. If you don't want a white unicorn, you don't have to have a white unicorn. I'm using crayon. You can use anything you like. I'm going to give it a golden horn because it's glistening in the sunlight. So once you come to colour your unicorn in, be as creative and as exciting as you like. I'm using all the primary and the secondary colours in my picture. So I'm not doing it in rainbow order this time, I'm just doing whatever crayon I feel like. Just going to keep on adding until I've done all the colours. And then I'm going to come down to the tail. I'm going to do all the colours on the tail too. But you could equally do warm colours and cool colours. You could do whatever you wanted. Don't forget to send me your picture if you do make one, and I hope that you've done the really fun assessment activity before this. So this is my unicorn. I'm going to put a little bit of blue just around some parts of the unicorn where I think there might be shadows. I'm going to give it round yellow paws. I'm going to get my black crayon. I'm going to draw the ground, and then I'm going to just do a bit of a shadow underneath, just a scribble of black underneath when the unicorn is sat. So I'm pretty sure your unicorn will be really cool. Mine looks a little bit like a piggy. So hopefully send a picture of your unicorn to me. Whatever colours you decide, mine are both the same, so whatever colours you decide to do, send me a picture. Alright, see you next time, bye.